everyone, start off by sectioning the top of the hair, comb it into place and then add a rubber band once you are done. Make sure that the rubber band is tied tightly. Once you are done tying the hair, loosen a few strands from the tied up portion of the hair using your fingers. Next, take the remaining amount of hair that is left and then join it above the initial updo that you have made. Tie it together using a ponytail. Use a comb in order to make sure that it is neat. Pull out the strands of the hair of this ponytail as well. Now for the bottom of the hair, add a braid. Once you are done braiding the hair, roll it up in order to form a bun. Once again, loosen a few strands. Once you are done forming the bun, you may add a decorative clip or a beret of sorts. However, make sure that while you are putting your braid, it is tight. You may use both the sections of your ponytail in order to make this braid. Adding 2 layers to this ponytail or rather the braid gives it more volume. This adds to the aesthetic appeal of this bun. This is what it should finally look like. For our next hairdo, start off by taking 2 sections from the front of the hair. Then tie it up in the center at the back. Once you are done tying up the first rubber band, at the base of the updo, put another rubber band. Once you do this, twist the bottom of the ponytail into itself. This should give you another twist. Now twist this entire thing into the upper hairdo. Comb the rest of the hair and then add a rubber band to the base. Make sure that it is tied tightly. Then add another rubber band to the base of this ponytail. Once you are done with this, twist the base into itself so that it forms 2 twists. Now roll it up and insert it inside. You may add decorative clips once you are done with this. Use a bobby pin also to make it stay firm. And there you have it. For our next hairdo, start off by taking 2 sections of the hair from the front. Comb it so that it stays in its place. Then add a rubber band so that it stays firm. Once you are done with this, twist the hair in on itself so that it forms this kind of twist. Then divide the hair into 3 portions and then begin to make a braid. Once you make a tight braid, put a rubber band at the bottom. Once you reach the bottom, put the bottom of the hair into the right twist. Repeat this until all of the hair is into the bun. Add a bobby pin or any other clip to make it stay in place. For our next hairdo, start off by taking a section of hair from the front and keeping it aside. Then, divide a section from the top of the hair and then comb it into place. Tie a rubber band to it. Make sure that it is tied tightly. Now, gather up the rest of the hair, comb it into place and then tie a rubber band to this too, forming another ponytail. Once you are done making this ponytail, add another rubber band to the base of this ponytail. Once you finish adding the 3rd rubber band, roll the hair in on itself so that it forms a bun. Put a bobby pin to make it stay in place at the top. You may also use something like a 4-prong clip or a 2-prong clip in this case. Now take the section that you had left out from the left side and put it around the bun that you have created. Add a decorative clip to make it look all the more better. Thank you for watching.